Hey, it's Nick from POWERSTATE, and in this video I'm going to be talking about the Milwaukee M18 FUEL SWITCH PACK sectional drum system. M18 FUEL SWITCH PACK is the first drain cleaning solution that combines the benefits of sectional and drum machines, creating the single most versatile and mobile machine on the market. Tackling the most frequent challenges of any drain cleaning application, getting the machine onto the job, the SWITCH PACK system utilizes a modern design with backpack straps for the easiest transportation to any roof, drain, crawl space, or clean out. It's 17 3/4 inches tall by 15 3/4 inches wide by 15 inches deep, and it weighs 28.1 pounds. This cordless tool is powered by the M18 REDLITHIUM battery pack that's part of the M18 family of tools, reaching a spin speed of up to 250 rotations per minute. The POWERSTATE brushless motor gives more clearing power than corded tools for 1 1/4 inch to 4 inch drain lines, and the cable features rust guard plating that delivers 20 times more rust resistance. A fully enclosed drum provides the best protection and mess containment. The tool-free drum connection allows users to quickly interchange between cable sizes or add a second drum to reach 100 feet down the line. An integrated drum brake electronically slows the drum up to 5 times faster than the competition, with an electronic foot pedal to maximize durability. A 5-year tool, 2-year cable, and 3-year battery warranty is offered for the M18 FUEL SWITCH PACK. For more information, visit the resources at supplies.com or email us with any questions.